I'm up here at my local Walmart, a couple of miles from my house up here in Woodstock, and it was in the news just a few days ago that we now have drone delivery service in my area of town. And if you look over here, they're getting ready to launch a package and deliver to someone. And I thought I'd hang around a few minutes to see if I could watch it. I'm interested in this because I fly drones too, occasionally at home. But we'll see what happens. I think I hear it. And there it is. And there he goes. I think he's pretty fast, man.